In this video, I will show you how to fix COD Warzone not launching on Steam. Open File Explorer and go to the Call of Duty Warzone directory. Here, I am using RDR as an example. Find the game application.exe file, right-click on it and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is turned off. Also ensure run this program in compatibility mode is turned off. Click apply, then OK. Open Windows Search, type documents, and open the folder. If you see a folder named Call of Duty, delete it. Then open Windows Search and type graphics settings. Find Call of Duty Warzone in the list. Click options and set it to high performance. Check the box, don't use optimization for windowed games and click save. Once all steps are completed, restart your PC and launch Call of Duty Warzone again. That's it. Now you know how to fix COD Warzone not launching on Steam. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.